Alright, so in this video we want to tie in this Gravity Forms form and all the fields into MailChimp. So what we're going to do is start with Gravity Forms. So what we're going to do is go over here and you want to go pick your form, and then the settings you'll have MailChimp. So first thing you want to do is go over to the Gravity Forms add-ons, and you're going to add the MailChimp one. I've already done that here, but you can see that it is right there. So just go ahead and install it, and once it's installed, then what it's going to do is going to take you to the settings page, and where you're going to go ahead and add an API key. So to get your API key, go over to MailChimp and go to the bottom here, go to your account, and then go to account, and then you have extras, and then API keys, and then if you scroll down below, you'll see that you can generate an API key. Just make sure you name it, and then you're going to go back to your settings, paste it there, and then once that's saved, then you will have this feed settings. So the next step right here is fairly easy. So you're just going to go ahead and pick your audience that's in your MailChimp, and it's going to, once that's chosen, it'll show these fields, and then you just start matching the fields to your form. So I'm not collecting a birthday, so leave that blank. First name is first name, last name, not collecting a last name. I am collecting a phone number, and let's see, we're not doing anything with the PMP levels, the PMP Pro, and I am going to opt out for this, but it's up to you. We're going to take that off, and we just have to be careful not to be adding anybody on there as far as spam wise. So if we find that it starts to become an issue, just click on that, and they can get an email from MailChimp asking them to opt in. And you can also add tags, how they came in. So you can just put like free download or ebook, and that will go to the MailChimp list. And anything else you want on there, and then just update the settings. And then the last thing you want to do is just go back to your form and just make sure it works, and you see a test email go into your email MailChimp audience. And that's it.